Have you ever come across a block of code, like a macro in Excel, and thought, I have no idea what this is doing? That's where AI prompting can save the day. With a simple prompt, you can reverse engineer the code and get a plain English explanation. It's easier than you think. Let's break it down. The issue is simple. You've got a macro or a block of code, but it's not obvious what it actually does. For instance, here's an example of a macro that deletes rows in Excel, but if you're just looking at the code, that might not be clear at all. The solution? Use a straightforward prompt like this one. In simple terms, can you explain to me what this macro is doing? This type of prompt lets the AI guide you step by step, translating the code into everyday language. It's like having a friendly coworker who specializes in code, but without needing to chase them down. Here's how you can put it into action in just a few steps. Copy the code you're trying to understand. Type or paste the magic prompt. For example, in simple terms, can you explain to me what this macro is doing? Paste the code and the prompt into your AI tool, like Copilot or any language model you're using. Even if you have zero coding experience, the AI will read the code and provide a clear, easy-to-follow explanation. No guesswork required. So, the next time you're stuck staring at code, don't panic. Prompt it. AI can make sense of the code for you, explaining what it does quickly and clearly. No technical background needed. If you need additional help or have questions about how to get started with AI, you can ask our specialist questions through our AI consulting form at raymond.com or by scanning the QR code.